In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Copilot chat content to Microsoft Word. If you've been using Copilot to draft ideas, summarize information, or outline a plan, getting that content into a Word document is quick and built right into the experience. I'll walk you through exporting a single response, grabbing just a snippet, and exporting a full Copilot page in Microsoft 365 so you can choose the method that fits what you're working on. Let's start with exporting a response directly to Word. After Copilot generates an answer, look just below that response for the toolbar. You'll see a Word icon or an export icon labeled Export or Edit in Page. Click that and choose the Word option. Copilot will package the content into a Word document and open it in Word for the web. From there, you can edit, format, and save like you normally would. Give the file a clear name, check headings and spacing, and make sure any lists or tables look the way you want. Your document will save to your cloud location by default, and if you prefer a local copy, use Save As to download a .docx file. If prompted, confirm you're signed into the correct account so your edits sync properly. If you only need a specific piece of the conversation, hover your mouse over the response you want. This reveals inline controls, including the Word export option for that snippet. Select it, and Copilot will send just that portion to Word for the web. This is perfect when you want to capture a single section, like a summary or a set of bullet points, without bringing over the entire thread. Once it opens, add a title, adjust formatting, and include any brief context so the snippet makes sense on its own. Finally, if you're working with Copilot pages in Microsoft 365, you can export the whole page to Word. Look to the top right corner of the page for the Word icon. Click it, and Copilot will generate a complete Word file of the page's content. This is great for longer work, like structured outlines or multi-section drafts, because it keeps the overall layout intact when it moves into Word for the web. To recap, use the Word icon or export below a response for a full answer, hover and choose the word. Export for a targeted snippet, and click the Word icon at the top right to export an entire Copilot page. Once your document opens, review formatting, apply styles for consistent headings, and share or download as needed. That's all it takes to move from Copilot to Word smoothly and keep your work moving forward.